What is Triclosan? Triclosan was first introduced to the healthcare industry in 1972. Later, Triclosan made its way onto the consumer market in products such as antibacterial soaps, deodorants, toothpaste, cosmetics, fabrics, toys, and other household and personal care products. Studies have linked Triclosan to a range of adverse health and environmental effects such as skin irritation, endocrine disruption, antibiotic resistance, and water contamination. Over 95% of the remnants of Triclosan in consumer products are disposed of in residential drains. As a result, widespread use has contaminated the nation's waterways. After going through wastewater treatment plants, concentrations of Triclosan are still detectable. The prevalence of Triclosan in the nation's waterways is a cause for concern since Triclosan is converted into dioxin, which is a highly toxic compound after exposure to sunlight in an aqueous environment. Triclosan can also combine with chlorine found in tap water to form chloroform, which is a possible human carcinogen. In 2010, the FDA announced plans to address the use of Triclosan in cosmetics or other products. But it wasn't until September 6, 2016, that the EPA issued a final ruling prohibiting the use of Triclosan and numerous other active ingredients used in antibacterial hand soaps and body washes. These ingredients are not banned in other personal care products and can still be found in items such as toothpaste.
So what exactly is the effect of Triclosan exposure on the human body? Well, we still don't have enough information to be certain about the full effects of Triclosan, and this is mainly because the available methods to evaluate chemical effects in humans are limited and they take time. However, one piece of evidence so far shows that Triclosan may have an effect on one of the body's signaling processes. This signaling process is part of the endocrine system and consists of hormones, which are used in order to communicate between cells. Think of it as the body's postal service. Each hormone acts as a specific piece of mail with directions on what to do next. Triclosan may alter this hormonal signaling ability through inhibition or promotion of these hormonal signals. This is known as endocrine disruption, and there are 3 different ways in which endocrine disruptors can affect the signaling process. First, they can mimic the hormones, resulting in overstimulation. Second, they can bind to a hormone receptor within a cell, blocking the hormone from binding. Or third, they can affect the way hormones or the receptors are made altogether. In particular, research has shown that Triclosan may affect thyroid hormones. Thyroid hormones affect almost every cell as they alter the activation of certain genes during growth and development. They also stimulate your metabolism. Thus, thyroid hormones are critical to a healthy body.
One of the reasons Triclosan is so widely used is the fact that it is an effective agent against various microorganisms. In fact, 75% of households have Triclosan in some form in their homes, and 75% of us actually have some Triclosan in our urine. Many studies have pointed to that Triclosan may in fact be a cause for antibiotic resistance, which means that certain bacteria can no longer be effectively treated with antibiotics due to that they are resistant to them. This is especially concerning for those who are immunocompromised, who direly need antibiotic products to fight frequent infections. 2 million people get antibiotic-resistant infections such as MRSA and C. diff in the US every year, and 23,000 die from them. Furthermore, it is estimated that 50% of people using antibiotics are actually using them inappropriately, such as for viruses, which even worsens the problem of antibiotic resistance. Recent studies have actually found that antibacterial products with Triclosan are in fact no more effective than using regular soap and water when it comes to killing bacteria and preventing infection. You can therefore ask yourself, why are we still using these products?